Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome to our series of building a website using the Zyro AI website builder. In this series, we are going to cover step by step exactly how to create a new website using the Zyro website editor. In today's video, we'll get started creating an account and talking a little bit about the Zyro builder. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on an update on this playlist and any other future playlists that we'll do as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's talk a little bit about the Zyro AI builder. The Zyro AI builder is a website builder that uses artificial intelligence to help create professional websites and online stores without any coding or design experience. Zyro AI also offers a variety of AI-powered tools, including AI Writer. So this tool can generate unique and informative text for your website, including headlines, product descriptions, and blog posts. AI Logo Maker. So this tool can help you create a professional logo for your brand in seconds. The AI Heat Map. And this tool shows you how visitors are interacting with your website, so you can make changes to improve your user experience and things like that. The AI Assistant. This tool provides you with personalized recommendations and advice on how you can improve your website. There's also loads of other features that we'll go over as well when we are building our website with Zyro, including a drag and drop editor, e-commerce integrations, and SEO tools as well. Zyro is a good option for businesses and individuals who want to create a professional website or online store without having to hire a web designer or developer. It's also a really good option for users who are new to website creation and want a platform that's really easy to use. Some benefits of Zyro Builder includes that it's really easy to use even if you have no prior experience with website creation. It offers a variety of AI-powered features. It's also quite affordable. They've plans starting at $2.90 a month, and it's a really good option for businesses and individuals of all sizes. So we'll take you through step by step building a website, and we'll also talk about all the features and pricing and the benefits and the cons of using Zyro AI Builder in this series. So let's get started creating an account and starting building our Zyro website. So what you want to do first is go onto Zyro.com and actually start getting started with an account. So when you're first getting started, Zyro actually has a free plan that allows you to create a website with up to 500 MB of storage, 1 GB bandwidth, and you can also use the free plan to access all of the AI tools, including the AI Writer, the Logo Maker, the Heat Map, and this Assistant. There are some limitations. So for example, you won't be able to connect to a custom domain and you can't use the e-commerce features. But if you need a website with more features or storage space, you can upgrade to one of Zyro's paid plans. If you go into the products, you can see their plans starting at $2.99 a month, and you'll get a bit more of the features, more AI features, more storage space, and then up to 100 websites as well. But in this series today, we are going to just be using the free plan and seeing it and using all the features as much as possible and seeing what we can do with just the free plan. So what we're going to do first is go into Zyro.com, and we are going to click on the Start Now button on the top right. And the first thing that Zyro will ask us to do is to use a template. So they have separated their templates into different categories. So if you're looking for like a landing page type, or if you're a marketing type website, e-commerce, restaurant type website, etc., you can do that as well. What we're going to do is we're going to go through each of these, and what you can do is you can click on preview to preview the template, and you can preview it in different formats as well. You can preview it in mobile or desktop. You can go back if you want to preview a different one, and you just want to click on the preview and just see where you feel about the template. What's really good about the template is that you can use it as a starting point, but then change everything that you need about the branding, the logos, things like that, the content, but at least you're starting off at a blank point as well. You can also just go straight in for a blank template and then just add the colors and the fonts like that. That way you can focus a bit more of turning this website more into your own. It's up to you how you want to do that, or you can do this AI generated one here, which is what we're going to do. So we're going to go in the AI generated one, and we're going to click on Start Building. but we are going to pick one of the blank templates, and we are going to go for a blank business template here, and we're going to click on start building. So we are going to click on blank template, and we're going to go for a blank business template for now. And if we preview that, you can see that it's a fully blank template, in that the fonts and the colors are not there, but there is a slight layout that we can use as a starting off point, so we're not starting fully from scratch. So yeah, the blank business template, they also have service and blog as well, but we're going to click on that, and we're going to click on start building. And this is our website, and this is the Zyro editor. So there's really a lot that we can do once you have your Zyro template set up. We can go in and start editing, and also just go in and explore the pages a little bit as well. When it comes to the editor here, it works very similar to if you've ever used the Wix editor, where you've got some editing tools here, and then there's some editing tools up here as well. So on the left, starting here, the first tab you have is the add element, and the add element tab will allow you to add any kind of element for your website, things like a button element, image element, things like that. So all of your elements, you can do that, and then you can drag and drop those elements to where you want it on the site. Then you have the pages and navigation, and this is where you can manage all of the pages in your navigation, any pages that are hidden from your navigation, any pages that you would like to add. You can do all of that as well. Right now we've just got the about, gallery, and contacts. We'll add to this in later videos. Then you have the actual website styles, and these are essentially colors and text and buttons and animations that are used across your website, and you can change these. What's also really cool is that it allows you to see where those colors are being used, but also how many times these are being used as well. So this black color is being used 62 times. So if you change that black color within this website style part, anywhere where this black color is being used, it's going to change. So if you know you want to replace this black color with like a more of an action color, like a red or a blue, you can change it here, and it'll change it everywhere where that color is being used. It just means then you don't need to go one by one to all of these sections here. You can just change it here globally. So this is what's known as global website style settings. And then there's also local style settings, which if you ever wanted to change the button, the color or the style of one element, for example, for just this button, then you would style it locally, and it would just change in this one button and not everywhere else. Next up, you have the blog. So this is where if you had a blog added onto your website, you click start a blog, and it'll add a blog section onto your website. And this is for online store as well. So we come back here in another video to set up an online store, but we can add products, set up easy management of those products, and optimize these products as well for SEO. And these are the AI tools. So as I mentioned before, we have AI Logo Maker, AI Writer, and AI Heat Map. Again, we'll be going through this as well in another video, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And we also have analytics. So right now there is no analytics set up on our site because our site is not published. But once your site is published, then Zyro will go over some of the analytics that they'll have, which is really useful as well. And next up, we have SEO as well. You want to optimize your site for SEO, improve it, your visibility for business or brand name. So we'll go over this as well. And lastly, languages. So you can add multiple languages to this as well, so your visitors can browse in their language. And then you have this search feature as well. So this will allow you to search for elements or pages or settings. So it makes it really easy to find something as well. And lastly, over here are just settings, help center, and announcements as well, are all neatly sort of stacked here as well. So you can go in and change that. On the top bar, you have a little bit of more tools, including this. So this one here is collapsing the editor panel. So as we mentioned before, pages, navigation, website styles is all listed here. You can hide that to make more space for the editor. There's a start guide, so if you wanted to go use Zyro's official tutorials as well. You can click on Start Guide really easily and then look at all the tutorials. Then you've got the desktop and portrait mode here, and then you can save, preview, and go live with these buttons here. But there is auto save on this, so as you make any changes, it'll automatically save those changes as well. But it's good to have that save button anyway to physically save the website as well. So that's it for now. That was our brief introduction into Zyro. In our next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about templates, how to pick the right template, and also then how to make edits to those templates using the global style editor on Zyro. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and share with anyone who you think would find this video interesting. Any questions, comments, please leave them in this comment section below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.